Hey Deb, here's a little screencast to show you how to change your course landing page from materials to updates when your students enter. To do that, you want to go to the top of each course and click on Course Options. Under Course Options, you want to go to Edit Privacy Course Settings. In here, you're going to see a lot of different choices on the screen. These are the default settings. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you're going to see Default Landing Page. Right now, yours is set to Materials. Click the down arrow, click Updates, and Save Changes. This is how you can change your default page, and the boys and girls will land on your update page and then head over to materials after they see what you post. Happy changing! Bye, Deb.